Our sun is the main source of energy. It radiates light and heat, or solar energy, which makes it possible for life to exist on Earth. But what would happen if our sun will be replaced with a black hole containing same size and mass? The planets of our solar system will continue orbiting. They will not get sucked in, even Earth. But the real problem will be with Earth, because it takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach the sunlight to Earth. So for 8 minutes you will not realize that sun has disappeared. But after that our planet will go completely dark and will not receive any light. Thanks to greenhouse effect, our planet temperature will not go instantly down. But in a week the temperature will reach to 0 degrees Celsius, and in next week it will drop down to minus 110 degrees Celsius. Our planet will become a frozen world, and here the problem begins. Without sunlight there will be no photosynthesis. That means planets and trees will be already frozen to produce any kind of food, and it will affect the entire food chain. There will be no species left in this deadly weather. Means the life will be almost impossible. But do you know the black hole can also produce light? Yeah, it's called CMB, cosmic microwave background. It's a radiation that came out from Big Bang 14.8 billion years ago, and it can still work. According to scientists, if a black hole will spin faster, it can produce CMB, and it can work as sunlight on Earth. But the major problem is that when black hole spins faster, its gravitational power increases, and that means all the planets in the solar system will be swallowed by the host black hole. Well, let's come back to the reality. We have our sun. Hope you liked the video. Do like and subscribe. Universe Science.